Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Henry Got Hustle. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my shoe reselling collection and how it looks like right now. And I did originally have it in my parents' garage, and I literally had all of my shoes. I had like 60 pairs of shoes right now, and I had all of them laid flat in my garage, and it was super hard to walk in there, and it was like really annoying for me and for my family, and I was kind of tired of having them deal with that since it's like my hustle, you know, it's like my thing. So I brought all of them to my room, and I did buy some shoe racks. They should be coming today. And yeah, my room looks like a mess right now, like a bunch of shoes all over the place. But I think I've been having my shoes like this in my room for like 5 days, so it's been a while. But I mean, it's a sacrifice you gotta make when you're in this industry. So you gotta make some sacrifices so you get the dough. And yeah, let me show you guys what the shoes look like in my room. Alright, so this is what the shoes look like. This is like the bigger wall on my room. These are all baseball cleats right here. And then this point on is all the golf shoes. As you can see, I have a ton of golf shoes right here. Then we're gonna walk over here. And we have this little section right here in front of my bed. Got a mix of different things: track shoes, golf shoes, basketball shoes, a bunch of random stuff, track shoes too. And right here we have a bunch of those Zoom Fly running shoes. I got 3 pairs of those, and they were really cheap too, so got a good deal on those. And then right here I have some shoe boxes piled up. I bought these for online arbitrage during everything that was going on right now. Because the Ross was closed, but since it's open now, I'm not buying anything online anymore. But I did buy some stuff online, and have all the shoes piled on top. Got all these NMDs. And a couple more Adidas shoes. And that's like the main part of my room. And then you walk in over here to my closet. And you come into like this area, and all of this is filled with shoes right here. Those two and these two and those were from I've had those for a while already, but everything else you see in here, everything else you see in here, I bought it like in the new haul I got, and that's currently what my room is looking like with all the shoes. Yeah, so those are all the shoes that are in my room as of right now. It is a really big clutter of a lot of shoes, but my shoe rack should be coming in today. I bought 3 shoe racks, and they should be coming in the mail. I bought them from eBay, so it did take a little while, not as fast as Amazon or like anything, but I did get them for super cheap. I got them for like $17 each, so after like taxes and everything, it came out to like $56 for like 3 shoe racks. This like the 50 pair one, so it was a steal in my opinion. And yeah, I'll show you guys when they come in. Hey guys, so my shoe racks just came in. I'm about to show you guys what they look like, and also I'm gonna do like a time lapse of me building it and putting my shoes inside the shoe rack. So yeah, let me show you guys a quick clip. So like I said in the beginning of the video, I did buy 3 of those 10-tier 50 pair shoe racks, and I got them for super cheap. Like I said earlier, $17 each. Came out to like $56 after taxes and everything, so I got a super steal on that.
Two hours later.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I did finish building my shoe rack, and I'm really excited that I finally have my own space where I have all my shoes organized, and I just have it ready to go, just grab it, make my sell and everything. It did take me a long time. It took me like an hour and a half or 2 hours, so it did take me quite a long time, but let me show you guys real quick what it ended up looking like. Hold on. So yeah, it's 10 tiers, which is crazy. It's actually taller than me. I'm 5'5", so I'm not that tall, honestly, but just the fact that my shoe rack is bigger than me is pretty crazy. But yeah, let me show you guys. I still have 2 more shoe racks I still need to build because I bought 3, and I still have a couple more shoes in my closet that still need to be put on my new shoe racks. So yeah, let me show you. I still have like, I want to say maybe like 12, 15 pairs maybe. Yeah, something like that. And I still have like 6 more shoes right here. This is like in boxes. Air Max 270 Reacts, some Air Up Tempos, got some SpongeBob Tims right there, another pair of those, and I got some Nike PG basketball shoes. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and thank you guys for tuning in, and see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.